Welcome sa panibago nating tutorial. Sa video na ito, pag-aaralan natin ng Beautiful Things by Benson Boone. At para updated ka sa mga bago pa nating tutorial, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, simulan na natin. Okay, ang kapo natin ay sa 3rd fret. Ang mga chords na gagamitin natin ay C, G, D, E minor, at A minor. Pagdating sa C, 2nd string ay 1st fret, 4th string ay 2nd fret, and 5th string ay 3rd fret. Next ay G. 1st string at 2nd string ay 3rd fret, 5th string ay 2nd fret, and 6th string ay 3rd fret. Next ay D. 1st string ay 2nd fret, 2nd string ay 3rd fret, and 3rd string ay 2nd fret. Next ay E minor. 4th string at 5th string ay 2nd fret. Next ay A minor. 2nd string ay 1st fret, and then 3rd string at 4th string ay 2nd fret. Pagdating naman sa strumming pattern, ang gagamitin natin ay down, 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 up. Ulit, down, 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 up. Try natin sa C. Down, 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 up. And then G, down, 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 up. D, down, 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 up. Down, 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 up. And then balik lang sa C. Down, 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 up. Down, 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 up. And then pagdating ulit sa D, dalawang beses mauulit. Down, 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 up, down. Down, down, up. Okay, pagsamahin natin ulit sa C. Down, 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 up. Down, 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 up, down. Down, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down. Down, down, up. And then ulit lang sa C. I see my family every month. I found a girl my parents love. She'll come and say the night, think I have it all. And I thank God every day for the girl He sent my way. But I know the things He gives me take away. Okay, pagdating sa E minor at D, bali na bago yung strumming pattern. Pagdating sa E minor, down, down, up, and then D, down, down, up. And then C, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. And I hold you every night, and it's a feeling I wanna get used to. There's no man that's terrified as the man who stands to lose you. Okay, yan po ang verse natin. And then pagdating naman sa pre-chorus, ang mga chords na gagamitin natin ay C, G, D, at E minor. Pagdating naman sa strumming pattern, puro down lang. Bali, 6 na beses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down, 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 down. Sa C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then lipat na sa G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I hope I don't lose you. Please stay. I want you, I need you, oh God. Don't take these beautiful things that I've got. Please stay. Okay, yan po ang pre-chorus natin. And then, pagdating naman sa chorus, ang mga chords na gagamitin natin ay G, A minor, D, at C. Pagdating sa strumming pattern, puro down lang ulit, 4 na beses. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, 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 down. Sa G, down, 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 down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, bago mag-chorus, dun tayo sa last chord ng pre-chorus na C. 1, 2, 3, 4. Things that I've got. Please stay. I want you, I need you, oh God. These beautiful things that I've got. Please stay. I want you, I need you, oh God. Don't take these beautiful things that I've got. Please don't take. Okay, yan po ang chorus natin. Pagkatapos niyan, balik verse lang ulit. Same chords at strumming pattern pa rin po kagaya lang ng pinag-aralan natin kanina. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating tutorial. Sana po ay may natutunan kayo. At kung nahihirapan naman po kayo ay practice lang at makukuha nyo rin yan. Abangan nyo na lang ulit ang susunod nating tutorial.